Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to make your own foaming soap. It's really easy to do. The first thing you'll need is to buy a bottle of foaming soap. That pump in there is what makes the soap foam up. So once your soap is gone, rinse your bottle out. I've already made soap in this bottle before, so I'm not going to rinse it this time. You will want to fill your bottle with hot water to just under where this little thing is here, because you have to have air between this and your soap. So this big part here you'll want to not cover. So put hot water in there. Be sure to pour your hot water slowly or it will cause it to foam up. Mine's foaming a little bit because I didn't clean it out, so it's got a little bit of the old soap in it. Okay, next we will be adding the liquid soap. You want about a tablespoon of liquid soap. I just used Dawn and pour it in. Okay, my soap's in. I'm just going to give it a stir and stir kind of easy so it doesn't foam up too bad on you. Okay. Put your cap back on. Oh, my hands are slippery. And make sure you're not covering your thing. That big right there you don't want covered. Okay, and then give it a test. Let's see how it does. It'll take a few to get this new soap through here. There you are. Foaming soap. This is way cheaper than going and buying your own soap. I just use Dawn. You can use whatever soap you like. You may have to adjust your soap ratios, but it doesn't take too much for Dawn.